students, class 10, examples on 8.12. The marks scored by the students in the slip test are given below. So X is the marks scored and F is the frequency of the students, right? The data is given as 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and then frequency is 7, 3, 5, 9, 5. Find the standard deviation of their mark. We want to find the standard deviation of the mark. Here we are going to use the, clearly it is a grouped data. Here we are using the assumed mean method to solve this problem. Let's see that assumed mean method means first one, the given data xi and then fi frequency. Here we want to find the assumed, using the assumed mean method means first the deviation di is equal to xi minus a is the assumed value. We want to take that what is our assumed value. This assumed value should be select from that x value only, xi only, right? And then here I use additionally di square and then fi di and then fi di square, because in standard deviation we have root of summation fi di square divided by n minus summation fi di divided by n whole square. So we want to find the summation of these two and then the frequency fi. Here I enter the given data x and f. So here we are going to choose the assumed value. The assumed value should be select nearer to the middle value. So here we have 5 data, so select the middle value, or otherwise assumed value means we can choose any one of the number from x. So let me take it as assumed value as 8. Here di is equal to xi minus a. See, xi is equal to 4 minus a is equal to 8 is equal to minus 4. See, 8 above we have the smaller number, so we get negative value minus 4. Then 6 minus 8, dA is equal to xi minus a. 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 2. And then 8 minus 8 is 0. 10 minus 8, 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. So here n is equal to summation of f is nothing but n. Sum of this value is equal to 10, 15, 20, 29. Now di square, additionally we are finding, because it is very easy to find out fi and di square, so that's why we are doing here. D square is 16, this is di, right? Square we get 4, 0, 4, 16. And then fi di, first we have to multiple this two term fi and di. 7 4s are 28, here we have negative value, so minus 28. 3 2s are 6, minus 6. 5 into 0 is 0, and then 9 2s are 18. See, fi di, this is fi di, so this two column only you have to multiple. 5 4s are 20. Now we want to find out summation fi di. Sum of this value, see here we have positive value, here we have negative value. First add the negative value, we get minus 34. Add this positive value, we get 38. So summation fi di is nothing but 4. 38 minus 34 is equal to 4, right? Now we want to find out fi di square. See, fi is here, we want to multiple that fi and di square, this two column. 7 6 are 42, 2 remainder 4, 7 1s are 7, plus 4 is 11, 112. See, 3 4s are 12, d square column. 5 into 0 is 0. Here 9 4s are 36, 5 16s are 80. So we want to find out summation fi di square is equal to, sum of this value is equal to, see here 2 4 10, 0 remainder 1, 9 plus 3 is 12, 13 14, 4 remainder 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, that is 240. Now we have the formula for standard deviation. The standard deviation sigma is equal to, right, root of summation fi di square divided by n minus summation fi di divided by n whole square is the formula for standard deviation. Now here n is nothing but 29, the frequency. Root of summation fi di square is equal to, see, fi di square is equal to 240 and summation fi di is equal to 4. So we get 240 divided by 29 minus 4 divided by 29 whole square. If you square this, we get 240 divided by 29 minus, if you square this, we get 16 divided by 29 into 29. Now we want to take LCM for this number. If you take LCM as 29 into 29 means here we want to multiply 240 into 29 because each and every time should be multiplied by 29. Here we have 29 cancel, so 129 will be there, minus 29 into 29 means both cancel, we get 16 only. Now multiply this two term, 240 into 29. Now 240 into 29, 0, 9, 4s are 36, 6 remaining 3, 9 2s are 18 plus 3, 21. And then 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So 0, 6, 9, 6. So we get the value 6960. Now multiply this number, we get 6960 divided by 29 into 29 minus 16. Now subtract this, we get the value. If you subtract 16 means 6944 divided by 29 into 29. If I take this 29 commonly outside, see here the root is belongs to both the numerator and denominator. In denominator 29 into 29, if you take square root for only for numerator 6944 divided by 29, because if you remove the square root we get only 129 only, right? 29. Now what is the square root of 6944 means? Here we have the square root of 6944. The square root of 6944 is nothing but 83.33. By using this we have find out already. Now we apply the value. So the square root of 6944 is nothing but 83.33 divided by 29. If you divide by 29 we get that value approximately, that is standard deviation is approximately, see, if you divide we get 2 times 2 9s are 18, 8 remainder 1, 2 2s are 4, 1 plus 5. When you subtract this, 13 minus 8 is 5, 7 minus 5 is 2, then we get 33, or we take only one number, division only, right? Now 253 we have how many times means we have clearly we can 8 times. 8 9s are 72, 2 remainder 7, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 7 is 23. When you subtract 1 2 and then last digit we get 3. So here this is less than this number, so see 253, here we have 203 less than that number, so we get approximately 7 times. 7 9s are 56, sorry, 7 9s are 63, 3 remainder 6, 7 2s are 14 plus 2 is 20. So approximately we have 2.87. Therefore standard deviation, when we divide this value we get approximately 2.87 as the standard deviation. Thank you students.